In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Elementor page. If you're looking to give your WordPress site a stunning and functional header using Elementor, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you can achieve a professional-looking header without any hassle. So, let's dive in. First, let's start by installing the necessary plugin. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Once you see the plugin appear in the results, click on Install. After the installation is complete, don't forget to click on Activate. This plugin is essential as it empowers you to create custom headers and footers, adding another layer of flexibility and design options to your Elementor experience. Now, with the plugin installed and activated, it's time to create your header. Head over to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard and you'll find Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on it and then select Add New. This is where you'll make a choice about the type of template you're creating. Make sure to choose Header. Give your header a meaningful name, something that helps you instantly identify its purpose or design. After that, click on Create Template. This will open up a new window where the real fun begins. Once your header template is set, it's time for some creativity and design magic. Click on Edit with Elementor to begin editing your header template. You'll enter the Elementor page editor, where you can start by dragging in widgets like your logo or a navigation menu. Elementor offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it simple to place and style elements precisely where you want them. This step allows you to customize the look and feel of your header to align with your site's branding and design aesthetics. Lastly, after perfecting your header design, it's crucial to determine where and when it will appear on your site. Look for the Display Rules or Conditions option. Here, you can set your header to display across your entire site, ensuring uniformity no matter which page a visitor lands on. Alternatively, if you have specific pages in mind, choose those. This flexibility allows your website to maintain a consistent look or differentiate pages as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a header using Elementor. It's incredible how much a well-designed header can impact the user experience, and with Elementor, you have all the tools at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your WordPress site design. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy creating!